Thanks, Emily. Greg Remingay joins us for some more free legal advice. We're going to talk a little bit more about workers' comp and how it can kind of overwhelm some people, and there's a lot of information heading your way all at once.
Well, as soon as you get injured at work, you're going to be bombarded with all kinds of paperwork and all kinds of information. Right from the start, have you filed your application correctly? Are they going to send you a general admission of liability? Are they going to send you a notice of contest? What do these things mean? How are you going to fight the notice of contest? Notice of contest, they're obviously disagreeing that they owe you the money. It might be as simple as they haven't gotten all the medical records. They might be denying that you're injured. They might be denying that you're injured at work. How are you going to respond to the notice of contest? What is your AWW, your average weekly wage? How did they calculate your AWW? Because they're not going to say, what's your average weekly wage? They're going to throw at you and say, AWW. And how does that translate into your TTD or your TPD, your temporary total disability, or your temporary partial disability? Because average weekly wage now determines what your disability is. And they're going to calculate all these things and send you the paperwork and expect you to understand.
Just know all these acronyms off the top of your head.
And then the adjuster is going to start throwing the acronyms at you. Have you visited your physician? Is it the primary physician? How are you going to prove what your AWW is? What's your percentage disability? Which later translates into PTD or PPD, your permanent total disability, or your permanent partial disability. And what is your percentage of disability that you're going to have with these translated into your TTD or TPD?
It seems to be a never-ending road.
It is. And then what's a referral, and what's a MMI, and what are some of these other acronyms for you to get your medical care? They can send you to a department medical examination or an independent medical examination. What are your rights? All these issues are going to come tumbling down on you right away.
You will be overwhelmed.
So, as you and I have talked, one of the main things you need an attorney for is to help decipher the new language. A lot of people may not have any problems, and they may be doing everything correctly. But I think it really benefits you to ask somebody, what are they doing? What's up for me, and how's this going to affect me?
Absolutely, and that's why Greg's here. So if you have any questions for Greg, or if you're in that exact situation, feel free to give him a call. If you want a free consultation, feel free to give him a call as well.